This is our Whirlpool Duet Dryer. We had the PF code error, power failure error. Looking on YouTube, I thought it was this thermistor. This part down here, I replaced that, but that did not seem to fix the problem. That's this guy right here. There's another bolt or screw on the other side. So I took this out, replaced it with this guy right here, the white one here, and that did not solve the problem. And I remembered that a day or two before the power failure code came out, our electricity kind of flashed on and off for a second or two. And on the second day, when I was testing out what else it could be, the PF error stopped. I couldn't get any power to it. So that was a little bit of a clue to the, I thought it was an electrical issue. I didn't see anything obviously wrong, but I checked the circuit board or motherboard. You just check, or you just take off these 3 screws. There's one here, second one right here, and the third one right here. And to take off the top cover, there's 3 bolts also, one on the corner, second corner, and then one in the middle here. You can actually see the hole right there. But I looked at the circuit board and there was nothing wrong with it. I didn't see any burnt out. I've already halfway bolted it back on, so it's probably not much to see. But the circuit board looked fine. And then as I kept turning the power on and off before every time I tried to reset it, I noticed this guy wasn't staying on the on position. It would slightly move back, so I could tell it wasn't functioning like it used to. So long story short, the PF error, my fix, was not the thermistor down here at the bottom. It was actually just the circuit breaker. So that's another option to look into to help fix your Whirlpool Duet. This is about 15 years old. This dryer, granted it's been in storage for 4, maybe 5 years, so it's only about 10 years of use. But so it could be the power failure, either the circuit breaker or your, well, in my case it was the circuit breaker. So good luck, y'all.